Avenue Road, we have North Avenue Road. Like that, this 13th road, which goes from Linking Road and which is supposed to be connected to Ambedkar Road. Again, last 15-20 years, nobody addressed that because the slums situated at the fag end of Ambedkar Road and 13th Road. It was simple logic that they need to be redeveloped first, so the road would have been open. But nobody addressed that. Ultimately, it was my luck to address the same, and therefore we pursued it with the SRA and the developer. And the coming December, they will be shifted soon, and we will have one more link to the Ambedkar Road from the Linking Road. So at least we will have more number of avenues for the people to go to their respective houses that can ease out the traffic as far as this part is also concerned. Narli Agripada redevelopment has already started. Then Gasdarban. That Gasdarban road width, Sakaram Goa Patil Marg. Earlier DP it was 120. The DP which was got scrapped, shown at 90. We raised the voice. Of course, new DP will come, I am sure, because I have done my entire homework. That roads width will be again maintained as a 120 feet. So the more number of cars from Katapur going to Juhu can have access from there. The Gasdarban is an issue itself. The Gasdarban is situated on the land of collector. The reservation is no development zone. So the reservation on paper is no development zone. So they cannot redevelop. The land is collectors, so they are there. So they are also not getting their houses permanently constructed. We are also not getting the area for our recreation or open to the sea. And the congestion is so much that people are walking and sitting on the road. So there we need to address it more deeply. Again, the issue of CRZ is applicable there also because it is near the sea. So once this bill gets sanctioned, hopefully we will see that the redevelopment of that entire area can be done and we can get one more beach at the Santa Cruz side, which is near the Juhu area, can be done. The pumping station at Santa Cruz. We started from here, from Linking Road, and when we cross the main avenue road, from there up to Juhu Tara Road, and from SU Road to Gasdarban Road, this entire area earlier used to get flooded like anything. Those who stays in that area knows. Maybe you are aware about it. After I became a corporator, Mogre also is aware about it. We have done a 12 crore rupees ka enclosed nalas. But when the high tide comes, the water comes back to the seaside, or from the landward side. So the pumping station needs to be worked, which will stop the high tide water from coming in, and the pumping station should be utilized to pump the landwards water to the seaside. That effective needs to be done. And that pumping work has been started. More than 200 crore rupees has been allocated. Within a year's time, before the next rain season, we can see the effect of that pumping station where the water will be at the landward side, and that can resolve the major problem as far as the Khar area and Santa Cruz area is concerned. Santa Cruz station, Kanubai Desai Road. Again, that area has a major problem of hawker. We have not addressed that area still because we wanted to effectively get rid of Linking Road and Hill Road first, and then our team can be utilized for this portion also. But it is in our agenda. Maybe the next year we can start the Tilak Road and Kanubai Desai Road to be hawkers free, and people can utilize the market, malls very easily, and the hawkers should not be situated there. The skywalk of Santa Cruz and skywalk of Bandra, there was no maintenance. So those who goes on the skywalk, it has been constructed in 10 years, but there was no maintenance contract has been given. After my persuasion, MMRDS called for a tender for the maintenance and utilizing inside of the skywalk for the advertisement purpose and all that. Maybe in 15 days that tender will be finalized, a month or 2 months period, that maintenance and cleaning of the skywalk can be done, by which at least the Charsi and Gargullas, those who sit, and that whole entire issue can be addressed. The Khar police station. It's a dream work. Many activists, Anandini is here, they are all pursuing. Now the reservation of that land needs to be changed. In February DP it will be changed. And if the reservation gets changed, you will get more FSI to redevelop it. Because today the reservation is animal dispensary. And therefore, it is also very interesting to see that on animal dispensary reservation, the police station is situated. So we can redevelop that police station once the reservation goes. So that has been also addressed. Khar subway, there is a debate going on that part. Somebody like me who proposes a bridge on Khar subway. There are activists who are proposing that it needs to be wider. Personally, I have a lot of opinion for SP road side wider because one needs to demolish the wall of the heritage church also. So that debate is going on, but the bridge could is out like Milan subway. The problem as far as that part is concerned. Now going back to Milan subway, the road of Milan subway is maintained, is supposed to be maintained by the BMC. But since that Daulat Nagar scheme, nobody from Santa Cruz, that area is there. Daulat Nagar scheme is a peculiar scheme, slum redevelopment. The resident of Daulat Nagar went to the court because that entire area is town planning scheme. And they said that the reservation for which we are paying as a citizen, as a town planning scheme, we don't find it. There is no road, there is no ground, there is no garden, and everything has been slum. I'm talking about 15-16 years prior. Then MP Sunil Dutt went there, the government, then our ex-MLA, everybody went there, and they made a slum scheme out of it for the slum dwellers to redevelop and react. But from last 16 years, more than 1,600 eligible slum dwellers are in the transit camp, and from last 16 years they are not getting their permanent houses back. Now the slum dwellers has gone to the court. They said that the developer has constructed his mall. You must have seen at the junction there is that HDL mall is come up. So he has got his profit, but we from last 16 years are out. Court gave the stricture on this government. I took 2 meetings with the highest authority of the Chief Minister, and now the final plan is maybe soon it will get sanctioned, and these 1,600 houses, slum dwellers will get the houses first. The maintenance of the road should be handed over to the BMC. Then I-plot ground, which is not a ground, which is totally encroached, will be beautified, and the Nagar residents and the slum dwellers both can get their share, whatever is legitimate for the same. In between, Santa Cruz police station is also heritage property. You can see that Podar School ground where the new construction of houses come in. Some of the SCP houses can be shipped there. So one SCP police station of Santa Cruz area shifts there, then less junction traffic would be there at Santa Cruz area. Podar School is the issue by which people are facing the huge problem from last donkeys here as far as the traffic congestion is concerned. Because 12,000 students comes in morning 6:30 to 5 o'clock in that 3 buildings, and at least 80 buses, and one can visualize that private vehicles which comes there. People are complaining. Now fortunately, the Podar school has come for the redevelopment. I took 2 meetings about the same, and the number of vehicles which they proposed to be parked, they only made an arrangement in the basement for parking of 6 buses and 30 vehicles. I installed and stopped that redevelopment approval, and I am proposing 25% more, which is legitimately allowed, for them to do a parking of the buses downwards and arrangement by which no buses can be there on the Saraswati Road and nearby area. So we are taking this opportunity of the long pending issue to be addressed as far as the Podar school mess and the parking area issue is concerned. Apart from that, many long-term issues was needed for the cities to be addressed. A, Bombay Police Act, the amendment into the Bombay Police Act, because we all get affected by the poor policing and poor norms. Therefore, the amending Bombay Police Act was the primary duty of the legislation. I have moved a private bill on the same, by which I am proposing the difference changes by which we can achieve that. Second, the amendment into the Cooperative Societies Act. Because number of registrars, people who can hold the elections, the procedure of holding the elections, and many more has to be amended further. So amendment into Cooperative Societies Act number 2